Excuse me. ES optimal here, so we can see a nice rejection. Bust it, bust it. Where's the 5? Where's the 1? Yep, we need to see the shift below here. We can retry those cells again. Right around here. Yes, it hasn't broken NQ yet, so we're at the premium though. Let's see if it wants to go for overnight sweep. Like you use by pushing here. We're right at the premium. Let's go see now. We should have, yep, now we do. Oh, not yet, 30 seconds and we will. $15 seconds. They're both at premium here. Very nice. Let's see. Yep, hourly needs to actually break below the hourly low. So okay, yeah, we have the new low now. Let's see if we can break this here. That's 717. AES overnight highs. Let's make it a little more yellow. Let's see if it wants to sweep the overnight highs. 59.96. Did you guys see the revised numbers today in the morning? That's bad, bro. Let's see if we can get that shift. Damn, this one's all the way down here though. Yeah, he is a little stronger here. Patience, patience, patience. ES looks like it wants the overnight highs though. It's so close for those overnight. We're at the previous day high in NQ here. PQ is at that previous day high. SPY is above it. 10 minutes for the 15 though. I can't just smack here. Alright, we just swept the overnight highs on NQ. Let's see if ES can do it. Here goes ES at the overnight highs as well. Let's see, 20 seconds, give me the new low, and that'll be very nice here. Alright, let's see if we can break that. Stay below the highs and get a shift would be nice. Nice, a little sweep. See if we can stay below these. If we break above the previous day high on like the 15, we're gonna go for the previous month high. Seven more minutes here. QQ, little 5 minute has a little setup buy, so I would want to see a retracement. Excuse me. This 15 minutes is gonna be wild. Five more minutes here. $7.49 is what we're looking for, and then $59.93 on ES. Let's see if we can get it. Four more minutes. Let's see, the 15 is going to close above, and then we'll go buys on a retest in this zone. If it closes above. If it doesn't close above, then no. Two minutes left. PMI? Oh, yeah. 2 minutes here. Needs to close below 67 on a 15-minute, guys. So the next 2 minutes. Nice. Okay, so we can get the 1 minute shift here on both ES and NQ. We are sweeping the highs. Need to stay below for the next minute now. ES held the low. I don't like that. I don't like it. Come on, baby. Get the shift. We stay below the highs. Cool. We need to see a shift now. We need to see a shift. This is good. This is a good sign, guys. Retest imbalance and cause some break. That'd be nice. Did ES close below it? No, I held it too. Yeah. Yeah, when you see the breaks first. Excuse me. $93. That's under 20-point risk. Not bad. We could risk him and risk a close above the 1 minute here. That's about 20-point risk. I just didn't see the news if it was good or not. But I want to wait for the shift. We gotta wait for the confirmation. Come on, go for the 749, baby. ES is trying to hold up here. Do you guys see what's forming on the 1 minute if we get that break? Can anyone take a wild guess? If we get the break. Yep. Good job. Good job. Bahan, good job. Highway. And kind of, yes, prank. Come on, we're almost there. 7:49. Please get the break in. Yes, 59.93. Break it, and then we'll be in. Whoa, whoa, Charlie, wait a minute now. I would want to see a retest to this imbalance here that's gonna leave behind, but is it gonna do it? I don't know, guys. That was a strong candle there. It might just be straight momentum down, to be honest. We got the shift. So we got the sweep, right? We got the overnight sweep, right? We got the 15-minute close below. We have the 1 minute shift down. So that's really good. Now we need to come and target this 5-minute low down here. Yeah, I'd want to see 763 retest. And then risk would be like this. ES got the break too. It's retesting the break here in ES. A little stronger retest than I would like on ES, but yeah, nasty rejection on the video too. Good job, Brandon. Alright, we just tapped the imbalance here, guys. This could be a nice retest here. Alright, I'm gonna take some starters here. Let's run it, baby. Nice, 10 points here, guys. 10 points on these cells. Huevos, cabrón. Remember, 699 is what pretty much 700 psych levels what we're targeting. And then after that, we'll go for like that 765 level. I mean, 665 level, sorry. at news in 5. I want to see if QQ and SPY can at least go back to like daily open. That'd be great. Nice little 15 points here. Yeah, news in 2 more minutes here. Let's see if it goes for that 763. We're back at fill here. This next close can be another 15-minute close as well, guys. So we can stay below those same highs. That'll be good. If you can't afford to take the risk into news, guys, take your profits. News in 1 second. Oh shit! Let's go. Let's go, guys. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Trim some. Baby, let's go. Hell yeah. Let's fucking go! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Trim some. TP hit, TP hit, TP hit, TP hit. TP just hit. Manage. Stops and profit. TP just hit, guys. TP just hit. Boom. That's how you fucking do it. That's why you set some limit orders that TP they give you. Beautiful fucking trade. Trim some. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Oh my god. Do y'all understand that trade? Why we took it? Let's go, baby. Give me my money. Alright, that's TP1. Stops break even now. TP2, 21,665. It is very doable that we get down here. Why? Because that's our overnight lows. So it is very doable. We even come to 655. So please hold runners with stops and profit. Okay. Nice, Brandon. You just paid your rent, bro, for the first month. You guys happy? Can I see some ones? That's like 60 something points. Yeah, about 60. Yeah, right, exactly 60. Nice, good job, guys. I know all y'all happy. This is the most I seen y'all type that shit. I know y'all happy as fuck. Hey, all of y'all were probably tripping out because it was lagging, huh? It was stuck. It froze. That's usually summer, MM. Summer price action is usually very slow, bro. You almost shot your pants. Nice. Oh yeah, he's in summer, huh? Good job. Heck yeah. Remember, please hold the runners, guys. Hold your runners. We're going for overnight lows. 21,665 is at 15-minute low, but the overnight low is at 55, I believe. Let me just put my line on it. This is what we're targeting next. So we cleared the overnight high liquidity, right? And so I'll go over the trade so you guys can see why we took it. So remember, I said close below the 15-minute high of the overnight for both of them, NQ and ES. We did. So as I said on the game plan last night, we look for rejection on those highs, previous day highs, liquidities after they have a sweep. We look for a market structure shift. And if you guys go back to the live, yeah, so we'll see that I asked you guys if we do break below the low, what model is gonna form, and we said it's gonna be a buy to sell, meaning a buy to sell, and that's exactly what it did, right? A buy to sell is usually an M, and then I won't even show the sell to buy just to not confuse you guys, but buy to sell is exactly what it sounds. We don't buy to sell, we just wait for people to buy it up into our sell zone, right? The reason I took it here, and I'm glad, hopefully Brandon, you took it. The reason I took it here instead of waiting for the 50% was because that was a strong selling pressure. When it's strong selling pressure like that, we most of the time we don't get the retest into the 50% that we want, right? We will just get the retest into an imbalance. So why not take the risk of, like, you know, smaller size, starter size into this zone, and then we can scale it into this area because we knew what our risk to reward was, right? So once you know what's the probability of it working out and what's your risk, you just take the trade. So we figured out the probability. What was the probability? 2.3. You know, of the risk to reward. It was a high probability. Why? Because we swept the overnight high, so we swept the previous day high. We closed below the 15-minute high as well, and then we had a market structure shift to the downside. That is why we took that trade. So I hope you guys think. But let me